I'm Martin, a voiceover artist, and this is my vocal booth, and today I'd like to demonstrate just how good it really is at keeping sound out. Hello? Hello? Can you let me in? I've got stuff to do, like jobs and that. This is my vocal... Oh, hello. I'm Martin, voiceover artist. Who are you? No, that won't work. This, right. Hi, I'm Martin. This is my vocal booth, and today I thought... This is my vocal booth. This is my vocal... This is my... This is my vocal booth, and today I... Don't do that one. This is my Hand's not high enough. How am I going to do this? Point. This is my vocal... It's locked.